Are you looking for the best electric outdoor grills in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric outdoor grills that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Weber Electric Grill Q2400 55020001. This unit may be a bit smaller than the average grill, but then again, it is more special than your typical grill. Heat is retained perfectly, so you can cook with ease and better speed as you normally would with another grill. Cleaning is also nearly non-existent, as there are aluminum liners that can be removed and washed after use. Changing the drip pan is also possible to further clean and maintain this unit's quality and appearance. Do not expect the familiar ash or smoky flavor to your food that is cooked in this grill, because you will not be able to get it from this unit. But the good thing is how it can sear steaks quickly, or even with slow-cooked meats that only need low heat. At number 4, Cuisinart Electric Grill CEG 980. Take this outdoor electric grill in the yard and begin making tasty dishes that your family will truly enjoy. This cooking appliance has a telescoping base integrated into the unit, so you can set it up wherever you want and ensure its stability. It is perfect for use on small patios and balconies where not enough room is available for a standard grill. You will be amazed by how it heats up efficiently, and the required temperature is achieved in a matter of minutes. After use, simply clean the cooking surface, fold the legs, and put it away in the kitchen to keep it ready the next time you want to grill. One complaint we have about this unit is the rather small grease trap. After every use, it is important to empty this component to prevent the unit from overflowing. Just in case, you may also want to secure your table with a rug in the rare occasion that the grease trap overflows. At number 3, Cuisinart Chef Style Tabletop Stainless Grill CGG 306. The long wait for your grilled dishes is over, thanks to this tabletop electric grill from Cuisinart. This comes with a double burner system equipped with control knobs and an electronic ignition to get you started with your cooking. As this is quite portable, you can bring it along with you during your camping, picnics, and other outdoor adventures. Fold the legs, keep the cover locked, and use the carrying handle for easy transport of this unit. Then, all you need is a 20-pound tank of propane to begin grilling. It's all seamless and simple as that. Just a few things you might want to know, though, before purchasing this grill. The dome is not as deep as how you may expect it to be, which makes it tough for you to grill an entire ham. Also, the stainless steel is light gauge, so it also cools down rather quickly, not ideal when you prefer the unit to hold its existing temperature. At number 2, Char-Broil True Infrared Electric Grill. Do not deprive yourself of grilled dishes just because your current location is not suitable for grilling outdoors. With this electric grill, you can still enjoy the scrumptious taste and aroma of grilled food. The way to operate this unit is rather straightforward. Just plug the power cord, place your food on the cooking area, activate the controls for the heat settings, and adjust the temperature as needed. In minutes, your food should be ready, without flare-ups to deal with or cold-hot spots. With a total of 1,500 watts of superior power output, this unit can cook your food evenly all the time. We are impressed with the steady heat of this unit. However, you need to monitor the unit as it cooks you food to prevent burns. Turn the vegetables or meats at least every 5 minutes because these tend to brown well quickly. At number 1, George Foreman Electric Grill GGR50B. Even if you have never tried grilling before, you will realize that the whole process is not really complex. In fact, this electric grill takes the stress out in the cooking process, beginning with the quick assembly and preheating of the cooking surface. You can adjust the heat from high to low, so the food you prepare is cooked to perfection. There is also a non-stick grilling surface, which eliminates the lengthy and tedious cleanup with other cooking appliances. With a slight slope on the surface, accumulated fat or grease goes to the tray instead of sticking to your meat. We like the sturdy quality and design of this grill. But we just feel that it is a little top-heavy, which means you should be very cautious when you use this unit in high-traffic areas. Otherwise, it may tip over and cause so much problem in cooking your dish. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.